The night ignites in cosmic powers. The gamine butterfly flutters through the Milky Way, flirtatiously descends and signals our needs sweet. Arise, arise, spreading our nectars on the winds, while grandmother spider spins in her web our lustrous hopes and deep-seated desires. The wabi-sabi moon waxes, that bright disk may roll her broken open fortunes onto the sands. Either way, we are caught up in the moment, growing humbly in this place, courageous ground cover, reclaimers of this desecrated ground. We are spun up in this messy cocoon of communion. This relational anarchy, threshold time, liminal space, the sublime, subliminal, what's under our skin and feet. Reverberating through the dunes and into and out of our dreams, we weave with aptitude for complexities, reflex of our shared ancestral history. We reflect this temporality with grace and Godspeed. God sees we are pioneering species, rushing into uncertainty, blooming on this long-begotten voyage. We are arrivals into the season of harvest, to the burst of home. We collect and stain our hands with the blood of berries and bounty, touch the auric boundaries of other with our sensitive antennae. Like ants, building up a new world by all that we feel. We call each other into being, believing in the fecundity of reciprocity, the interdependence of the strict back earth. Ready to remake ourselves, as the elders that encircle us have also done, from scratched over lands and decoded memories. Young pines and birch from a prehistoric lineage, daring us to stand tall, to recall what's below. Taproot wise, laughing at it all. Underneath it, we're braided together in bright patterns of belonging. We form a family constellation. The big river tipping its cup above the tents. We spill over too with musicality and rhythm. Our tits and hips twerk power and roar joy. Our satisfied dicks swing with psyche's improvements and fuller expressions as our hearts burst open like raspberries. We sway like willow, dip like cranes, and swim together naked as schools of trout. We are learning. We are the wind and the flame, the wild and the tamed. Dancing exorcism and excitation, a current that runs through us. Mycelium empowers and emboldens us. Each moment growing stronger, our impulses to recycle and embody the divine madness of comedy and chaos of the highest form. Off kilter, we squawk and we squeal, sit together in silence. All while imploring and exploring how we are, who we are. Thulu, desert dwellers, eccentric members, eternally of this water star.